Area and perimeter, an easy way to learn. Today we are going to learn about area and perimeter formulae for various shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, etc. For any shape, the area is defined as the total space inside the shape's boundary. The perimeter, on the other hand, is the total length of the shape's boundary square. The area of a square is equal to the length of any side squared, A equals L squared. The perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of any side, P equals 4 liters. Also, area can be expressed as base into height rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to its length multiplied by its width, A equals L x W. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the sum of the length and width, P equals 2L plus W. Area of triangle. A triangle is a simple geometric shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. The area of a triangle is the product of its half base and height. A equals half BH. Perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of its length of all 3 sides, P equals 3's. Area of trapezium. A trapezium is a simple geometric shape with 4 sides and 2 parallel sides. The area of a trapezium is the sum of the product of its 2 parallel sides and the perpendicular distance between them. A equals A plus BH. The perimeter of a trapezium is the sum of its length of all 4 sides. Area of parallelogram. A parallelogram is a simple geometric shape with 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel sides. The area of a parallelogram is the product of its length and width. Also expressed as base into height equals BH. Perimeter of parallelogram. The perimeter of a parallelogram is the sum of its length of all 4 sides, 2 liters plus 2W. Area of rhombus. A rhombus is a simple geometric shape with 4 sides and 4 equal length sides. The area of a rhombus is the product of its length and width. A. Base and height, or A equals D1 plus D2/2, where D1 and D2 are diagonal. Perimeter of rhombus, 4 into side, 4s. Area of kite, D1 D2/2, where D1 and D2 are diagonals and perimeter of kite is sum of all sides. Class notes. Today we will be discussing the volume and surface area formulae of various shapes like spheres, cylinders, cones, and pyramids. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r to the power 3, where r is the radius of the sphere. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi to the power 2. The volume of a cylinder is pi to the power 2 into h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. The surface r of a cylinder is 2 pi r to the power 2 square, plus 2 pi rh. R is radius and h is height. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r2h, where r is the radius of the cone and h is the height of the cone. The surface area of a cone is pi r to the power 2 plus pi rl, where l is the slant height of the cone. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 bh, where b is the base area of the pyramid and h is the height of the pyramid.